In today's shave, we're going to be using Open Range by 345 Soap Company. Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any future content. And today on Will It Shave Wednesday, we're going to be using the red and black dual open comb razor by Yaqi. Real quick, I'm going to wet the face. It's Wednesday, hump day. The work week's halfway over. I'm going to be using the Open Range by 345 Shave Company. Not Shave Company, Soap Company. I had to look the scent profile up on this. I'm going to put a picture right here. For me, I'm just getting a really heavy, kind of a lime citrus smell. Not picking up any tobacco, unfortunately. Today, I will be using the Evil Cube. I just feel like I need to get a little menthol. Let me wet the cube here and get that going for the pre-shave. Have you guys tried the cube? Let me know. Comment below. In this razor, I'm going to be using the Astra Superior Platinum Green Blade that comes in this box. This will be the second use on this particular blade. Let me get it back out of the package here. All right, and just like every other three-piece razor, remove the handle and the top cap comes off. This one has the tabs on the top cap, so we will just lay that blade directly in there and apply the bottom cap. Thread that handle back on. I'm going to check blade alignment here real quick. Looks good. The tabs do stick over a little bit. Can you see that? Not too bad, but might want to watch out around the ears and the nostrils. I do have the soap already lathered up in the black frog bowl. 1/4 teaspoon of soap on this. I am using the Omega High brush, and that is a synthetic brush, 24mm knot. And I did not have to use a whole lot of water. I actually used 6 milliliters. One of the reasons I looked up this soap, I am allergic to oranges. If I eat them, my face, my lips, my throat swells up. And so I just wanted to make sure. I'm not going to be eating a soap today, but you never know. You want to be precautious whenever you can. I thought the soap was lathered up pretty well, but now that I've been talking a little bit, I feel like I may need to add a little water to my brush. Better do that again. You definitely don't want your soap drying out on you, because it's feeling a lot thicker on the skin. It could be the Evil Cube kicking in. It is kind of late. I will get the video posted. I wasn't able to do a shave this morning. Had a meeting first thing this morning, and I was just in a rush. Go ahead and warm up the razor and see how this beauty shaves. Will it shave? I say yes. Will it shave great? I'm about to find out. too bad. 2 days worth of growth. How's your work week going? Are you ready for it to be over? Any big plans this weekend? I don't have any plans. Sometimes if you make plans, things come up. And you have to change your plans. Let's take a little feel here. Oh yeah. That blade and razor combo is very nice. No problem knocking down the stubble. I had thought about waiting until Sunday shave for this razor, and I changed my mind last minute. I was a little skeptical on the finish on the head. Like I said, it felt a little grippy just running your fingers across it. I wasn't sure how that would feel. Once you have the soap on there, it's pretty slick. I think I will add just a little bit of water here in my bowl. Get a little bit creamier. That's the great thing about wet shaving. You can always adjust it and make it how you like. And I have to be careful with that bowl because it is a ceramic bowl. I don't want to drop it, break it. I'm not really feeling too much menthol from the Evil Cube. Maybe I needed to put a little bit more on before I rinse my hands. And then remember to show you the lather. Let's just go ahead and show you the lather now. Oh yeah. Let me rinse my hands and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go across the grain. Plenty of residual slickness. You ever notice the sound of different razors? You think they're clamped in there real nice, the blade, and you can hear it kind of ting, 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 ting. It's interesting. What's even more interesting is when you hit your razor on the bottom of your bowl. That last shave, I did get a little bit of irritation right there from the Rex. All right, off camera here, I have a bowl full of cold water. Do a cold water rinse here real quick. See how that did? Oh yeah, nice. Do have an ice cube here, ready to go. Oh yeah, man, the ice is nice. I'm gonna dry that off with one of Lancaster's black sheep towels. Oh yeah. What do I need next? Some matching splash. Let me give that a little shake here. See if that has a little tobacco smell to it. No. This scent to me seems a little bit more like maybe tangerine. Kind of scares me a little bit. I start looking like Will Smith. I don't know. Yeah, what was that movie where he had that allergic reaction? He's like, there's nothing wrong with me. I think I'm going to follow that up with a little bit of frostbite. Star jelly. I'm just craving menthol today. Oh yeah. Here we go. Now we're talking. Whew. Let me rinse my hands off one more time. Well, that was the shave with the Yaqi black and red, or red and black. There's no name for this razor. Have you heard of the name? It's a nice looking razor, and it did shave well. I recommend it for 20 bucks. You can't beat it. Anyway, that was a nice shave, and for me, the scent on that soap was not exactly what the description was, but it just could be my nose today. I would encourage anyone, if you get a soap and it's not a scent that you like, use it a couple times, especially when it reacts with your skin and you smell it later or throughout the day. Some notes disappear, other ones appear, and so it may be the scent that you always dreamed of by the end of the day. Well, that concludes my Will It Shave Wednesday. Everything here was nice products. I thoroughly enjoyed them, and I look forward to seeing you on Sunday. I'll put a picture right here of everything I used. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'm getting close to the 1,000 subscriber mark, and I'm getting excited. We got some great shaves coming up, so stay tuned. If you've returned, thank you, and I will see you again Sunday.